So I will tell the introduction. The installation manipulator is designed to increase student knowledge and the understanding in automation and control system. The whole system show the real application for industry and exposing students to the process of designing and problem solving. The function of the assemble manipulator is to assemble two workpieces making one product. The station contain 4 stations, namely square basic workpiece, second round workpiece, third select and place, last install and save. Station 1 will supply the regulator side workpiece. Station 2 select and place will select the cut work and place at the assemble and storage station. Then select and place take the round of workpiece supply and place it into the regulator workpiece. When the product is assembled, the gravity rail will be turned on. The process is repeat until the workpiece is complete.
Optical fiber sensor have unique advantage such as high sensitivity, immunity to electromagnetic interface, small size, lightweight, flexibility and the ability to provide multiplexed or distribute sensing. Kian's FSN series of fiber optic amplifier allow connection of more than 100 type of special fiber units. It was various features to improve stability such as automatic maintenance function was automatically compensated for dust and did build up. A flexible optical fiber enable easy installation in limited space such as space between machines. For the device output, we have the solenoid valve. Solenoid valve function involve either opening or closing an orifice in a valve body, which either allow or prevents flow through the valve. A plunger open or close the orifice by raising or lowering with a sleeve tube by energizing the coil. Solenoid valve also are open and closed via a solenoid activated by an electrical signal. Include all type of flow paths and proportional solenoid valve.
The station operate in a ready mode for operating. Cylinder 1 will push the square workpiece from the stacking magazine. Cylinder 3 used to bring cylinder 4 and 5 to take the square workpiece. Transfer the square workpiece to the fender rail. Cylinder 5 will release the square workpiece at fender rail. Cylinder 2 will push the round workpiece from stacking magazine, and cylinder 6 will go to area round workpiece. Cylinder 3 used to bring cylinder 4 and 5 to take the round workpiece. Cylinder 6 will go to area fender rail, and cylinder 5 will release the round workpiece. Fender rail will operate for the complete set. The process will continue, and then the sensor detect color black round workpiece, and the cylinder 5 will release to the area reject production. The process will continue until the product get the 4 complete set.
In a troubleshoot part, we have 2 problems. So for the first problem, when the cylinder 5 not grip tightly the square workpiece. So for the solution, we need to troubleshoot filter regulator. Is the pressure gauge is 0.5 MPa or below than that. When below 0.5 MPa, we need to adjust the filter regulator until get 0.5 MPa. For the second problem is when the cylinder 5 not grip the circle workpiece. So for the solution, we need to look and solve the ladder problem. If there is fault on the ladder, we need to make improvement on the ladder.
Okay, so now we go to the improvement for the system. So firstly, the improvement that we can do for the system is ladder diagram. So from there we can do more improvement at the ladder diagram. Second is need to make sure the sensor is in a good condition and need to have a spare part in case of an accident at the station during the simulation. The sensor at the station need to be regularly maintained in order to prevent damage to the sensor. This can also reduce the cost of expense and also the time to replace the damaged sensor. Okay, so that's all from us about our station. So thank you, bye bye, and assalamualaikum.